What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another video. Now, I have to run through all these videos because I got a lot of videos to film. You see the title, so you see we about to go over. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. You're on our way to 500 plus subs, as well as comment, because I respond to all my comments, as well as like this video and share this video, share the channel. Let's get more people to join the squad. No further ado, let's get right into it. Check out the main channel and also check out the Instagram. Those two links will be down below in the description. So let's get right into it. So off rip is right here. Obviously you see the box, so you know what type of shoe it is. It's a women's shoe, so it's size 7, which converts to a men's GS, whatever you want to do, 5.5. Right there. So this is the, I got it right here because I don't want to get the name messed up, but it's the Nike Dunk Low Paisley Pack worn blue. It's the blue colorway. I know they dropped the panda colorway and the green colorway, but got the blue colorway right here. No further ado, let's get it. Oh yeah, I do want to say, when you guys watching these videos, depending what order you watch it in, shout out to my bro because he hit all these, so I told him let me get it so I could review them for the channel. So let's get the quick little thumbnail. Boom. I might cut out that part when I have my mouth open just because it looks funny. Alright, so let's put this shoe right here. Let's get into the details. So first of all, I wouldn't say invest in these, but these are a solid good colorway. The bandana, obviously you can see it right there. They call it the Paisley Pack, I guess. You would have to look up the details why. Paisley, yeah, right. Well, I'm like thinking of the dog's name, Paisley. But either way, it's right here, the blue colorway, ocean blue type of deal. Like aqua, not really aqua, but you get what I mean. Nice little colorway. Yeah, they dropped these randomly on Nike app a couple days ago, last week, whatever. Like a random time, not even 10, your typical time, 10 or 12. It dropped at 11 o'clock. I didn't touch not one colorway, but shout out to my bro. Like I said, he hit, so I'm doing the review for you guys. Let me know out of the 3 colorways which one you prefer. The pandas, can't go wrong with that colorway, this blue colorway, or the green. Now I thought the green would be solid to have for personal if I would have touched the green, which I see it on my phone right there, but whatever. So yeah, let me know, did you take a W or L on these? Did you even know they dropped? Or are you still trying to cop them whenever they drop, maybe in store, or maybe at your boutique, who knows? But this is the blue colorway, so what you guys think about these? I do feel like this will go up, like say next month or springtime, really, when it really hits. Or maybe if you hold this till summer, price will definitely go up on this colorway. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. It's a quick little review on them. Like I said, this is a size 7, which converts to a men's kids GS 5.5. So it's right here, this nice little ocean blue. Not ocean blue, but whatever you want to call it. And that's the back right there. Still got the bandana covering, you know, the bandana like material in the back on both Nike logos. So definitely a nice shoe. Definitely a nice colorway. So what else you think about these? Let me know in the comments. I will be checking my comments when I post all these videos. I know I've been lackadaisical, haven't been posting or just uploading whatever videos, mid videos, but we're back to filming some good content. Remember, if I take time off, it's because I don't want to give you trash content, but at the same time, I gotta build content. So it's on me, but also that's it for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Anything else you want to see about the shoe? I mean, it's right here. There's nothing else to show. Both shoes are the exact same. Doesn't look like anything. No different. Got that brand new smell, of course. But let me know out of the 3-pack. I might make this the thumbnail too. Boom. But either way, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Your boy Little Roy's out. Remember, check that Instagram and main channel. Those 2 links will be down below. Let's get it.